You better see some Houdini shit from me this game. Why? What are you doing? Should I be scared? Alright, so we're gonna do... Custom reward. Spin the wheel. Maybe I could leave it up to the person, I guess, if they wanted to do killer or survivor. Should I do that? $20K. Pick my game for an hour. That's an interesting one, bestie. I don't actually hate that. MD, did you study coding or something? You're fluent at menus and configs. What do you mean? No, I didn't. I've just had to learn like Twitch stuff over time. What a compliment and a half. You should run no mither and self-care. It's OP trust. Oh yeah, absolutely. Oh my god, bestie, you kind of scared me. I'm not gonna lie. Sorry, that music's probably too loud for you now. Let me turn that off. Also, RPD. Yes. That's a huntress. I forgot I had flashbang last game. Pokemon in chat, everybody. Palpitoad, I think it is. Palpitoad?
Water type and ground type.
Thanks, bestie. Yeah, when I first started doing Twitch... Is it cute? Or no?
Its pre-evolution is... It's kind of derpy in its second, and it's kind of... I don't know. But like...
Wait, this locker's here.
Chad, but lazy.
Right.
That's the final evolution. Oh, exposure in lockers.
That's unlucky. Yeah, I had to learn so much when I started Twitch, because I didn't know how to do anything. But... You know, just takes time. Oh wait, I can't bardic and use my... Oh no, I can. Oh! Eerie Hatchet? I didn't even know she was there.
Oh shit.
So it's taking over. I've been told to be the kitchen bitch and prep dinner. What are you cooking? Hell yeah. Go make that cute ass some food. She deserves it. Oh, we exposed. Unlucky.
I just could not tell where she was.
Yeah. Oh, Claude's smart. No, she's smart. Claude's smart. Thank you. Run, run, run. We're running. So yeah, Eerie Hatchet Huntress. That's scary. Which is very scary. Oh shit. Wait. She's gonna be, I don't know if, oh my god, I don't know if I'll be able to get you. Oh, it'll be a trade probably. Oh my god, you're so excited for that. How are you? Oh, okay, cool. Crits in. Oh, where do I go? Run, bestie, run!
But she gets me here because Dolphin is 2 seconds. Oh,
I'm scared. Does she come up?
She's taking me through the other way.
Oh, there'll be a hook in there. That's why. I was gonna maybe flashbang. Ugh, Huntress is scary. Eee. Good. Christmas time always makes me happy. Oh, that is bloody adorable. Do you like my outfit then? Isn't it cute? Charms? Because they're in like the charm bundle right now. I'm good, thank you. I'm good. Just doing Survivor games. I don't know. I kind of feel like I want to swap to Killer in a little bit. Maybe just to have a break because I'm getting a little bit over Survivor. Maybe I should do that. I could do some Bubba games. I could do some boobs. Do I need to get the unhook? Okay, you're good. Okay, good. Shall I play the guitar? What do I roll? A 3? So cute. I might have to copy you. Yes, do it. Let's start something. It's so cute. Like I want them to make this skin into just like a regular skin because I'd wear it all the time. Oh, you scared me. Do you want me to heal you, bestie, or?
No, it's alright. We need to get another chin done before
We do. Yeah. We're in trouble. Ah! I wonder what Joel's up to. I won't be on this this weekend, guys, by the way. Hi, Jinx. Thank you for the follow. I appreciate it. I am going to New South, so yeah. Had to make a new account. For what? For Twitch. Why? Is he on Kitchen Bitch Duty too? No, he is. I think he's playing Killer. I think. Or he was. Oh, he's messaging me. Hi. Hold on, I need to message him. Ay, ay, ay. Okay, we got the gen done. That's good. Oh, shit. I really want to try and get a flashbang off. But I should just get on a gen. I should be a good girl. Oh, she's right there. Shall I just do this one? But no, Joe was so cute before I started. He brought me cheese and crackers, and I didn't even ask him. He just came in with them, and it was so cute. And I looked at him, and I just wanted to smush him. We're ignoring. I had to make a new account. Is that you? Tabby? I don't know who it is. What a gentleman he can be. Yeah, he's a good boy. He is a very good boy. Oh, it's you. Okay, because it gave me a warning. It said possible ban evader. And I'm like, oh no, who is it? And why? What's happened? Oh my god. Thank you, Tabby, for the gifted. Enjoy staying.